Now we are going to look at some simple geometrical triangles and see what the complex number tells us. Let's start with the equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle, mainly all the sides are equal, all the angles are pi by 3. So let's call them Z1, Z2, Z3. Let's say this angle is what we want to write in terms of complex number. So we need this point to be the starting point of two vectors. So this vector pointing this side is Z3 minus Z1. This vector pointing this side is Z1 minus Z2. And thus, arrow is pointing towards this. We have our complex equation as is equal to, first, the ratio of their length of their sides. Both the sides are equal, so that will become 1, and the angle is pi by 3. So EI pi by 3. This is our complex equation. Now let's look at another side, this angle. This is also pi by 3, but the arrow is pointing towards this point, and we can take the arrow as pointing this side or that side, but this will not do. This will not do. So we have to redraw and make the arrow starting from this point. So this arrow starting from this point and this arrow starting from this point, Z1, Z2, Z3, and this angle is pi by 3. Now to draw it in the anti-clockwise direction, we have to take this direction of the, this is important. This is important. If you don't take this direction, you have to make the angle minus theta. It's not difficult, it's not anything different or impossible. It's only that it makes the angle positive if you take it in the anti-clockwise direction. So remember that anti-clockwise direction is this, clockwise direction is this. So again, let's write down the vectors. It is pointing towards Z2. So this is Z2 minus Z3. This is pointing towards Z1. So Z1 minus Z3. And our equation becomes where the angle is pointing. Z2 minus Z3 by Z1 minus Z3 is equal to, again, the first will come the ratio of the lengths. Being equilateral triangle, they are equal. We'll soon take another example where they are not equal. The triangle are not, then you will have a sense of how to use that. And so this is equal, and we have the angle again as pi by 3.